I gotta show you some of the crazy gorgeous pictures. My sister-in-law came over for dinner and I was showing her the books that I've been working on. She loved it so much. She was like, why haven't you shared this on your socials? Because she follows me. I don't know, I just haven't yet, but she's like, you have to share it. So I guess that's what I'm doing now. What I have created is a shopping guide for all the 27 different decodna personality types. Here's the shopping guide for type 2, and it has a little bit about your type, a little bit about your preferences, your top matching interior design styles, and then this is a cool part, because what this is this explains your sister styles and how that can expand what your preferences are. So if you're feeling a little bit adventurous and you want to change it up, you can explore that by exploring your sister styles. So you have 3 preferences. If you only change one of them, this gives you pictures of what happens if you change just one of your preferences. It gives you a list of other interior design styles that match your type. It gives you pictures in all of those interior design styles. Color palettes. So if you've ever wondered what your style would look like in different color palettes, this will show you. And my sister-in-law was looking through this and she was like, oh, I just love everything. This is just me. This is me on the page. And so it gives you a color palette, and then this room are rooms in your house in that color palette. And I've created them for all 27 different types. So if you're type 18, this is type 18. Type 25 is the most popular type. So this is type 25's. How to show you some of the crazy gorgeous pictures that are in this. I'm also a bold type. I'm not a type 25, I'm a type 27, but because I'm bold, I just love some of the pictures. And then there's a checklist on how to achieve a minimal, moderate, or a maximal space, and that's customized to your type. And lastly, there's fixture inspiration. So you can take this guide to the store and look for things that match this. Also, all of these are linked. If there's an actual product, then it takes you to Amazon, where you can buy that exact light. It took me a very long time to create them. There's 27 different personality types. That's a lot of books. Oh, and at the very end of the book, there's links to more books for you to get more inspiration. And there's a link to all of the guides in the Stan store in my bio.